So I was asked the other day, when are rates going back down to 3%? And I kind of laughed and I said, well, probably never. And it made me realize that most people think that mortgage interest rates, they went down to 3% just on their own. But what they don't realize is that mortgage rates dropped that low because of government involvement. Now, some people might remember something called quantitative easing, which was a central bank policy where the government would literally buy billions and billions of dollars of bonds to drive the cost of the bond up, which would cause interest rates to go lower. Now, they only did this when there's an economic crisis like the Great Recession of 2008 or like when COVID happened, right? The Fed had to stop in to keep the financial market stable and to keep money flowing to avoid economic collapse. The Fed stopped quantitative easing in March of 2022 and started quantitative tightening in response to the increase in inflation due to the Biden administration's unnecessary $1.6 trillion bill that flooded the U.S. economy with extra money. And we've all seen what's happened to mortgage interest rates since that happened. So maybe we see 3% rates someday, but it's definitely not going to happen unless we have government involvement to drive those rates down.